Oh, hi. I didn't know you were here, but I'm glad you are. And welcome to Evening Shade. Okay, so I started some jalapenos from seeds, and they're getting too big for the little pots, so we're gonna take them and put them in the ground somewhere where they're not getting too much of this Texas heat.
The only thing that can survive out here.
Yeah.
The cactus.
He's the only thing that seems able to survive in this hot Texas heat.
Yeah. No guy can survive in the desert. He can survive this heat.
We also have the little strawberry plant that we got the other day. And we had tomato plants and cucumbers and bell peppers. What else? Beets and a pineapple growing. And the dog, she decided she wanted to eat them all. So they were all along this fence line right here. We saved what we could. We'll show you. I can get out the gate. Oh, it's so hot out here.
Hey, you're not at bare feet.
You should have put shoes on.
Okay.
So, we went out the back gate. We're coming around. We were gonna put all of them out here, but it's just too hot right here too. So we've got this nice half sun, half shade area over here in the side of the yard. So we moved what we could save over here. And we're gonna go from there. So we decided we're not really having good luck with the pots, even without the dog chewing on stuff, because that was not the first time she had done it, and we kept moving them. But we're gonna put the strawberries straight into the ground over here because it will get sun part of the day. So here we go. I can't find the digging tools. No? Well, guess we'll have to just use this big old pitchfork thing. So much cooler up here in the shade. There we go. I couldn't find the little digging tools. Guess they got.
Near the pineapple.
I know, that's where it was. The shovel and the little spade, but I couldn't find it.
No, the one that I planted. The pineapple I planted. I found the pineapple roots and planted them in the ground.
Okay, so I had missed what Bryson said on the clip right before this one, that he found the pineapple roots and planted them back here and put the rock there. And here's the little munchkin that chewed everything up. Chewed everything up, huh? Didn't you? Didn't you, Berkeley? Yeah, you did. Okay. Think right here. Is this where you want it? Okay, go ahead and scoop out the hole. Okay, we got him out of the pot. Go for it. Is that how you want him? All right. Okay.
Wait a minute, this is so chunky. Yeah, good for my plant.
Loosen him up a little. There you go. Okay, there we go. There we go, our strawberry plant. Let's see what it does. All right, now we're putting the little jalapeno plants back here.
What if it's a little baby?
Here's the rock. Get rid of all these other roots. There's a good amount of sun around here earlier in the day. Right now, what is it, about almost 5 o'clock? So that's why it's so shady. Anyway, this one's ready. There. Let's just put those 3 right there. Put that one a little more in the middle. There you go. And then we'll dig another spot for the last 2. Okay, so we put 4 little jalapeno plants there. Strawberry over there by the rock. There's my truck. And we put 1 jalapeno in the pot. Can't think, I'm hot. Anyway, I'm really curious to see, you know, if it'd do good. The reason everything didn't do good was because of these cheap plastic pots. I don't know, between the unusual amount of rain we had this year that just flooded everything every day for the first few weeks after I planted, down to using some cheaper dirt, putting them in little pots. I've never had a hard time growing anything, especially tomatoes. But this year it was like between the rain, the dirt, the dog, nothing was working out. I also grew, not a turtle, aloe vera and chocolate mint. This chocolate mint smells just like its name. You can rustle it around and oh my gosh, oh, it smells so good. And then the aloe vera, the poor aloe vera plant, a few months back, I had it in the kitchen window and the cat got a hold of it during the night. And I mean, chewed it down to nothing but 1 little stalk and a root. And instead of throwing it in the trash, I mean, it wasn't any bigger than one of these poor little looking ones on bottom. And I went ahead, because it had roots, and stuck it back in the dirt. And look at it now. It is amazing how resilient it was. Needs water. And then the mint, it started looking haggard. So I moved it around here with the aloe vera. And anyway, just want to show you guys. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. And we'll keep tabs on them and let you see. It's not a big deal, but just letting you see what I'm up to. Love you guys.